Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make diamond in Astroneer. This is going to be especially useful for crafting the extra large resource canister or some other recipes. So to begin, we first of all need to have a source of graphene. For graphene we'll need to have the chemistry lab unlocked and crafted alongside with the atmospheric condenser. In the atmospheric condenser, first of all, we'll need to make hydrogen. This can be made on the starting planet Silva, and this is going to be further processed to make hydrazine fuel. So, inside of the chemistry lab, we'll need to supply it with some ammonium and the hydrogen we've made. Ammonium can be made automatically using the soil centrifuge and supplying it with some soil to make some ammonium from 2 full small canisters. Also, ammonium can be found on every planet, mostly on the surface as these kind of yellowish crystals. And once we have this done, we can make the hydrazine fuel. And the second ingredient we'll need is graphite. Graphite also can be found on every planet on the surface and can be also automated using the soil centrifuge, where we can use 2 full canisters to make 2 graphites, not like with the ammonium that you will need 2 to make 1. And once again, we'll need a chemistry lab where we'll combine these 2, graphite and hydrazine, into graphene. And from here we want to pick out 2 graphenes and go to a chemistry lab where we can make the diamond from 2 pieces of graphene, just like this. So this is pretty much all. How to get diamond in Astroneer. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.